Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how exactly you can create a barcode for your product or any kind of use case. If you have where you need a barcode, you can create barcodes very easily in Google Sheet. So I hope you are aware about the barcode. If not, I'm just going to tell you, like, barcode is something uh, a lot of e-commerce people use, like who manufacture product, who um, do all the packaging and everything, just for a better accuracy. uh, we can't just rely on the order ID. We need somewhere a barcode which is more accurate than the order ID or any different kind of ID which we create. So there are multiple ways to create the barcode. There are many software available. There are many online generator tools are available to create the barcode. But if you are very used to Google Sheets, where you are doing a lot of data work and everything, if we are working in any manufacturing company, e-commerce company, I think you must be doing a lot of activities on Google Sheet or Excel. So I think you must create barcode in your Google Sheet, where obviously you will have somewhere in a particular Google Sheet with all the order ID and product names and all these kind of data. So within those data, somewhere you can add a column and you can put the barcode. It will be very easy. Now, coming back to the topic, how exactly we can create the barcode. So on my screen, you can see I have one sample data where the first column is order ID, second column is product name, and the third column, which is blank for now, here we will create the barcode. So to create the barcode, we only need the order ID. The product name code there is no use of product name here, but I will use order ID here to create the formula for the barcode only. So first thing, the formula is very simple. Basically, I need to add bracket before this order ID and at the end of order ID, and then we'll convert that particular text in a language which is barcode language. So let's start. So first thing first, I will add the quotation, then bracket open, again the quotation will be closed, then equal sign, again I think quotation, then this particular address A2, then again quotation, then and sign, and then quotation, bracket close, quotation, done. No, okay, I did some mistake. Okay, yes. So we have this particular text. What I did here is I added bracket before this order ID. Now the very simple step is I will go to the font, and then font I will click on more fonts. Okay, so I have, like, before I was about to record the video, I selected here, so it was the barcode was reflecting on top. So I will do it again. So I'm just canceling it, then going again here on the font, then we'll click on more font. Here I will click search barcode. So here you can see multiple barcodes are available. You can select anyone. For just for a sake, I am selecting this one and will click OK. Why this is not changing? Okay, I can select this one here. So you can see the font got changed. I will do the same for all the formulas. So you can see here we have a barcode here. It's very simple, very easy. And what I will do, I will copy this link, and this link will be there in the description, from where you can see how exactly I created this form link syntax, and then after that I changed the font from default text to this liberal barcode 39. So you can replicate the same in your Google Sheet. Thank you.